So today I'm going to show you how to tie a nail knot using this $8 tool from Amazon. Now, some of the features that this tool has other than the nail knot application are a hook sharpener, a line picker, and then it has your snips here for any excess line. Now, like I said, this is an $8 tool. I'm not affiliated with Amazon, but every fisherman should have one of these in their arsenal. Now, before I get started, I want to thank you guys for watching these videos, and I also want to ask you to subscribe down at the bottom. And if it's not too much trouble, if you would like this video and hit that notification bell so that you see other videos that I'm actually posting at any time of day. Step 1, you're going to rest your leader material on the thumb rest while pressing down. I have a little bit too much slack here. Step 2, I'm leaving myself 5 or 6 inches off of the right side of the tool. Step 2 is to run through our notch downward and then loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm looping backwards towards my thumb. And the following step will be to run this excess leader line back through the center of this loop that we just created. And then pull it tight. Not too tight, but apply tension. And then the next step will be to run our fly line back through the center of these loops that we've created and make sure that you give yourself a little bit of excess line here to snip off later. Now the next step is to actually pull the nail knot tight. And it's important to note that you don't want to pull the fly line from the knot center to the right, otherwise it'll pull it out. So you're going to cinch down by using the leader only. Okay. And now this is where the $7 tool comes in handy, because not only does it have the nail knot tool, but it has the snips on the other end where we can actually clean up any excess line that we have for our knot. And there we have a nail knot connection.